In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom toolbar in TradingView. Customizing your toolbar can save you time, streamline your workflow, and make accessing your most used tools a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having a personalized setup means you can focus on analyzing the market instead of hunting for the tools you need. TradingView is packed with features, and learning how to create your own custom toolbar will help you take full advantage of its powerful interface. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the TradingView website. Once the site loads, log into your TradingView account. Logging in is important because it allows you to save your custom toolbar preferences. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to create one and get started. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the TradingView homepage. You'll see a menu labeled Products. Go ahead and click on it. The Products menu is where you'll find access to all of TradingView's tools and features, so it's a great starting point for customizing your experience. Now focus on the Tools section located on the left side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. The Tools section contains all the drawing tools, indicators, and chart features available for you to customize. It's essentially your toolkit for analyzing and interpreting the market, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, hover your mouse over a tool you use frequently. For example, let's say you often use the Trendline tool. When you hover over it, you'll notice a small star or Add to Favorite icon appear next to the tool. This is exactly what we're looking for. Hovering over the tool reveals this option, making it easy to add the tool directly to your favorites. Click on the star or Add to Favorite icon, and the tool will now be saved to your Favorites section. This means you can access it quickly anytime you need it, without having to search for it in the full list of tools. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day workflow. Once you've added your first favorite tool, repeat this process for any additional tools you want to include in your custom toolbar. Maybe you also use the Fibonacci retracement tool or the horizontal line tool frequently. Whatever tools make sense for your trading strategy, you can add as many as you like. By doing this, you're ensuring your toolbar is tailored specifically to your needs and preferences. Of course, there might come a time when you no longer use a specific tool as often. To remove a tool from your favorites, simply go to the Favorites section, hover over the tool you want to remove, and click the star icon again. This will unfavorite the tool and remove it from your custom toolbar. It's a quick and easy way to keep your setup clean and relevant. Finally, once you've set up your custom toolbar, take a moment to test it out. Open a chart and make sure all your favorite tools are easily accessible and working as expected. Verifying your setup ensures everything is running smoothly and that your workflow is optimized for efficiency. And there you have it, your own custom toolbar in TradingView, designed to make your trading experience faster and more intuitive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.